Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to delete Life360 history. So, over the time, you've been through many places, but Life360 is just keeping a track of that in the application. Now, currently, Life360 doesn't offer any option to delete your history. As you can see, I'm in the Life360 application. When I click on gear icon, I'm navigated to these settings, but no matter where you go in this setting, you will not be able to find your history and you will not be able to delete them because they don't give any option to do that. So the only way you can delete your history or driving events is actually to delete your Life360 account. And that is the only thing we can do, and you cannot undo that even if you have a Life360 membership subscription. So while Life360 doesn't provide a direct feature to delete history manually, there are steps that you can take to manage or stop your location data from being stored. Here's how you can handle your history on Life360 effectively. You can disable location tracking. You can navigate to location sharing option and turn your location sharing off from the settings. Now you can also delete your account. To erase all the associated account data, simply navigate to the settings, that is gear icon at the top left of the screen. Here, click on the account option under universal settings, click on delete account. Now, this will delete your entire account and remove you from all Life360 features. So scroll down and click on yes, I confirm the above and click on continue. Now when you click on continue, this will take you to this Life360's web page where it says an email was sent to this email. So Life360 will send you an email through which you can delete your account. So I will simply navigate to my email, and as you can see, I can delete my account using this link. So as you can see, if you're submitting a deletion request, clicking this link will delete your Life360 account. And that is the only way you can come closer to deleting your history on Life360. Because Life360 doesn't let you manually delete history, but you can stop tracking, delete your account, or adjust privacy settings to control data storage. So stay in control of your location privacy with these tips. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.